conversation about daily life.
Do you get up at the same time every day?
Yes, I always get up at 7.
Also on weekends or only during the week?
On weekends, I usually sleep a bit longer,
How long can you sleep then?
often until 9 or even 10.
Do you feel more rested then?
Yes, much more relaxed than usual.
Are you awake or tired in the morning?
I am almost always very tired in the morning.
Do you talk much or little in the morning?
I prefer to talk little in the morning.
What helps you wake up in the morning?
A shower and a strong coffee.
Do you drink coffee at home or outside?
I drink my coffee quietly at home.
Do you drink it alone or together?
I usually drink it alone.
Do you listen to music or news then?
Yes, I often listen to soft music.
Do you eat breakfast every morning or sometimes not?
Yes, otherwise I get hungry fast.
Do you eat sweet or salty?
In the morning, I prefer salty food.
What do you like to eat most in the morning?
Bread with cheese or an egg.
Do you like to cook or not?
Yes, I like to cook simple dishes.
Do you cook just for yourself?
Yes, mostly only for me.
What do you cook after work?
Often pasta with veggies or soup,
Do you cook fresh or fast?
mostly fast but fresh.
Do you sometimes order food?
Yes, when I have no energy.
When do you have no energy?
After long and stressful days,
What do you order most then?
mostly pizza or Asian food.
Do you cook more on weekends?
Yes, then I have more time.
How do you get to work each day?
I take the bus in the morning.
Is the bus often full?
Yes, especially early in the morning.
Does that annoy you sometimes?
Yes, it is often loud.
What do you do during the ride?
I listen to music and look outside.
Do you think while doing that?
Yes, often about the day.
What do you do after work?
I go home and rest.
Do you lie down for a bit?
No, I sit on the sofa.
Do you still study in the evening?
Yes, I study English every day.
Do you study long or short?
Mostly only 20 minutes.
How do you learn new words?
I listen to talks and repeat words.
Do you write words down?
Yes, in a small notebook.
Do you prefer to study alone?
Yes, that fits better for me.
Do you enjoy your daily life?
Yes, I am mostly satisfied.
Do you want to change something?
Maybe more rest and time. A talk about the weather.
How is the weather there today?
Today it is cold and cloudy.
Is it like that all day?
Yes, so far.
Did it also rain today?
Yes, it rained this morning.
Was it heavy rain?
No, only light rain.
Do you like rain or not?
I do not like rain much.
Why do you dislike rain?
Rain often makes me tired.
I know that feeling.
Then I lack energy.
How do you feel with sun?
With sun, I feel better.
Are you more active then?
Yes, I go outside more.
Do you like walking?
Yes, especially in good weather.
Do you prefer morning or evening?
I prefer the afternoon.
Is it warmer then?
Yes, it's warmer then.
How warm is it today?
Around 50 degrees.
That is quite cool.
Yes, I wear a jacket.
Do you also wear a scarf?
Yes, sometimes it is windy.
Is wind bad for you?
Strong wind annoys me.
Me too, especially on my face.
Right, that feels unpleasant.
How is the weather in winter?
In winter, it is cold and dark.
Do you get much snow?
No, only rarely.
Do you like snow?
Yes, but only briefly.
Why only briefly?
Snow is nice but cold.
I understand that well.
After a few days, enough.
How is the weather in summer?
In summer, it is often hot.
Do you like heat?
No, I don't like heat.
Why not?
I sweat quickly.
That is tiring.
Yes, especially at night.
Can you sleep well then?
No, I sleep poorly.
Do you open windows at night?
Yes, for fresh air.
Does that help a bit?
Yes, sometimes it does.
Which season do you like most?
I like spring.
Why do you like spring?
It gets lighter and warmer.
Nature starts to change.
Yes, everything turns green.
That lifts the mood.
Yes, I feel more positive.
Do you talk often about weather,
Yes, almost every day.
especially with coworkers?
Yes, it is an easy topic.
Weather connects people.
Yes, everyone has an opinion.
Do you watch the forecast daily?
Yes, morning and night.
Why so often?
I plan my day by it.
For example, clothing,
Yes, jacket or no jacket.
umbrella or sunglasses.
Exactly that.
How will the weather be tomorrow?
Tomorrow should be sunny.
That sounds good.
Yes, I am very happy.
Then we have good mood.
Yes, hopefully all day. A talk about learning and cultures.
Are you learning something new now?
Yes, but not the same amount every day.
Are you learning English now or something else?
Yes, I learn English, but sometimes also German.
Do you like learning languages?
Yes, but it is often hard.
What is hard about learning?
Remembering new words is hard.
Do you prefer learning with a book?
No, books make me tired fast.
How do you prefer to learn then?
I listen to talks and videos.
Do you listen actively?
Yes, mostly very focused.
Do you write down new words?
Sometimes yes, sometimes I forget.
Do you repeat the words later?
No, not always, sadly.
I know that feeling well.
Learning needs discipline.
Do you prefer learning alone or together?
Alone, then I am calmer.
Do you study at home or outside?
Mostly at home at the table.
Do you learn in the morning or evening?
In the evening, after work.
Are you still awake then?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
What do you do when tired?
Then I study only a short time.
Do you find English difficult?
Yes, especially the grammar.
Which part of grammar is hard?
The past tense confuses me.
Do you still use English daily?
Yes, but with mistakes.
Are you afraid of mistakes?
Yes, a little.
Mistakes are part of learning.
Yes, I know that.
Does speaking help you learn?
Yes, speaking helps a lot.
With whom do you speak English?
With colleagues or online.
Do people understand you?
Mostly yes, sometimes not.
Do you ask then?
Yes, I ask often.
Are you interested in other cultures?
Yes, very much.
Which culture do you find exciting?
American culture interests me.
What is different from your place?
Everything feels bigger and faster.
Do you like that?
Yes, but sometimes is too busy.
How is it with food?
Food is very different there.
Different in what way?
There is much fast food.
Do you like fast food?
Yes, I like it a lot.
Do you like eating with others?
Yes, eating together's nice.
Do people talk a lot then?
Yes, I enjoy that.
Do you also learn traditions?
A bit, but not much.
Why not so much?
I focus on the language.
Do you have a learning goal?
Yes, to speak fluently without fear.
That is a good goal.
Yes, I keep going. A talk about work.
Are you working today or are you free?
No, sadly, I have no day off today.
When does your workday usually start?
My workday usually starts at 8 a.m.
Do you always arrive at work on time?
Yes, I am almost always on time.
Were you on time today as well?
Yes, today I was even a bit early.
Do you like working early?
No, I don't like early work much.
Why don't you like it?
In the morning, I am slow and tired.
What do you do first in the office?
First, I check emails and messages.
Do you get many emails each day?
Yes, sometimes there are way too many.
Do you find emails stressful?
Yes, they often make me uneasy.
Do you prefer working alone or in a team?
I like working in a team.
Is teamwork always easy for you?
No, sometimes there are many opinions.
Does that lead to fights or talks?
Talks, yes, fights are rare.
Can you debate well?
Yes, but not gladly every day.
What annoys you at your job?
Deadlines and many meetings annoy me.
Do you have meetings often?
Yes, almost every other day.
Are meetings always useful?
No, some meetings bring nothing.
Do you say that openly?
No, I rarely say it.
Why don't you speak up?
I don't want to cause trouble.
I understand that well.
Many coworkers think the same.
How are your coworkers in general?
Most coworkers are friendly.
Are there also difficult coworkers?
Yes, with some it is tricky.
How do you handle them?
I stay calm and polite.
Do you work in the office or at home?
I mostly work in the office.
Don't you like home office?
No, I work worse at home.
Why do you work worse at home?
I get distracted very fast.
What distracts you?
My phone, house chores, and thoughts.
Do you take regular breaks?
Yes, short breaks are very important.
What do you do in breaks?
I go outside or drink coffee.
Do you drink much coffee at work?
Yes, sometimes too much coffee.
Does coffee really help you?
Yes, but only for a short time.
Are you tired after work?
Yes, in the evening I am often exhausted.
Do you still think about work at night?
Sadly, yes, that happens often.
Can you switch off well?
No, switching off is hard for me.
What helps you to relax?
Taking a walk or listening to calm music.
Do you like your work overall?
Yes, I like it despite the stress.
Would you change your job?
No, right now I want to stay.
What do you wish for at work?
Less stress and more free time.
That sounds very understandable.
Yes, many people wish the same. A talk about goals and dreams.
Do you think about your future often?
Yes, especially at night, I think about it.
Do you plan short term or long term?
I mostly plan for the next years.
Do you have clear goals for this year?
Yes, I want to live calmer.
What does living calmer mean for you?
Less stress and more time.
When will you change that?
Step by step, starting this year.
Do you have goals for next year?
Yes, I want more job security.
Does that mean a new job?
No, only better conditions.
Which conditions do you wish for?
Clear tasks and fixed hours.
Do you also have personal goals?
Yes, I want to live healthier.
What is living healthier exactly?
More exercise and better food.
When will you start that?
From next month, very mindful.
Do you have fitness goals?
Yes, I want to walk regularly.
Every day or only sometimes?
Several times a week is fine.
Do you dream of big changes?
No, big changes scare me
Why do they scare you?
because I need security.
Is security very important to you?
Yes, without security, I feel uneasy.
Do you have money goals?
Yes, I want to save better.
Until when do you want to save?
In the next 2 years,
Do you dream of travel?
yes, I want to travel more.
When do you want to travel?
Maybe next summer,
Alone or with someone?
better with a trusted person.
Do you have a dream country?
Yes, Italy is my dream.
Why Italy?
For the food, language, and vibe.
Do you dream of a home?
Yes, of a quiet apartment.
When do you want to move?
Maybe in 3 years.
City or countryside?
At the edge of the city.
Do you have family goals?
Yes, stable relationships matter to me.
Do you think about your own family?
Yes, but later,
When is later for you?
maybe in 5 years.
Do you dream of personal growth?
Yes, I want to be more confident.
How will you reach that?
With practice and patience.
Do you have learning goals?
Yes, I want to speak English better
When do you want to speak fluently?
in about 1 year.
Do you practice for that often?
Yes, almost every day.
Do you believe in your goals?
Yes, but with no pressure.
What do you do after setbacks?
I take breaks and continue.
Do you give up quickly?
No, giving up is not me.
What motivates you long term?
Small successes and clear steps.
Do dreams have meaning for you?
Yes, they give me direction.
And goals give structure?
Exactly. Goals help every day.
Sounds like a good plan.
Yes, step by step is enough.